Thank you, Gagi. I want to welcome every one of you and thank for your participation. First of all, I want to thank to the President von Braun, who has suggested the idea of this meeting the second time, and follow every step and moment of the organization with a special cura responsibility. So incredible. Well, why this workshop is on lesson for and from science and pandemics, we conclude in 2020 that sustainable pathways to manage existential threats like pandemics and climate change suggest also to recover our spiritual perspective, and this workshop shall revisit that as well. I just come to celebrate with Pope Francis a Mass for the souls of the dead cardinals and bishops. Them is a tradition, each year we do this. Then it occurs to me that it is important to remember that we must also pray God to help us get out of the crusade of the COVID and the other such of economic and social problems that come and we have today. So I want that with our prayer, God help us also in this meeting to put solutions to our problems. Thank you very much. Thank you.